Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because Urban Decay just sent me their brand new cherry collection. Oh, I have a brush stuck to it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a full unboxing and try on and first impressions of the entire collection. I'm so excited. Real quick, I am taking like a little break from YouTube because I'm feeling really sick right now, so I'm just trying to get better. So my voice might sound a little like congested and raspy. It's just because I have a cold. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's just go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Okay, so this is the little PR cherry that Urban Decay sent me. This is like the cutest thing ever. It is recyclable, so I'm gonna be recycling this like ASAP. This is so cute. So inside the cherry, we have all of the goodies. We have 2 eyeliner pencils, the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, the Cherry Scented All-Nighter Spray, and then 3 lipsticks. So I'm gonna start with the eyes because that's what I'm the most excited about. So this is the eyeshadow palette. It is so cute. It's like very modern. So these are all of the red tones. You know that I'm obsessed with red eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and get right into it. They did do a nice update on the eyeshadow brush as well. So I'm gonna start with the color Juicy, which is right here. It's like a nice like peachy color, and I think it's gonna be perfect for my transition. Oh my god, you guys, that is like pigment. It's velvety. They definitely improved their formula. Not that it needed much improvement because Urban Decay has always been the best at eyeshadows, but I do definitely notice a difference here. I'm gonna go tighter into my crease with the color being right here. And I'm darkening my outer corner in a little like triangle shape as I kind of buff it into my crease. I just wanna make sure that the outer corner is defined because that's gonna make my eyes look a little bit more open. Okay, one thing I just like literally realized is that I am having zero fallout like whatsoever. Like there's nothing coming on my cheeks. I wasn't even like trying to be careful, but I just noticed like that it's just applying really clean. I'm gonna take the color Hot Spot right here and just kind of clean up my inner corners a little bit to highlight them. And next I'm gonna use the color Bang Bang, which is like this really pretty rose gold color. And I'm gonna start on the inner corner and kind of buff it out on my lids because this is gorgeous. Next, I'm gonna take the color Young Love and keep blending it out onto the outer corners. Okay, so I just messed around with my lighting for a hot minute and I just can't figure out what's going on. I just look so gray and like dull, but maybe it's because I'm sick, but I swear to God, when I look in the mirror, I don't look this gray. So next I'm taking the darkest color on the palette. It's called Privacy right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just line my eyes with this as the base for all the eyeliner we're about to put on. I hate to say this, but I'm getting the smallest little bit of fallout right now. Yeah. Okay, so I'm really excited to use this eyeliner color. It's called Black Market. It's a 24/7 eyeliner. It's just a nice like black, so I'm really excited for this one. So we're just gonna line a little bit tighter than that eyeshadow that we did. So now I'm taking the shimmer color. It's called Drunk Dial, and I'm gonna like put this over the edge of where the eyeliner meets the shadow, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Ambitious, and I'm gonna put this like on my lower lash line. So just to complete my look, I used Lisa lashes in the style Taurus, and they really make my eyes pop. I'll link them down below, and don't forget to use the discount code QUEEN for free shipping on your lashes. Okay, so now let's move on to the lips and the face. I'm so excited. This is the highlight and blush palette. So I'm all about highlight and blush. Here's the package. It's just like a really nice matte. It has like a really nice like weight to it, so you know that it's like high end. All right, let's start with the highlight. You guys, look at this one. It's like reflecting white. Over here it looks like a nice champagne color, but the glow is just so intense that it looks white. All right, here we go, you guys. Okay, so the highlighter is nice. It's not blowing me away. I'm gonna go into the blush now, and I've been using my blush brush, so we're just gonna stick with the same brush. So I like it. I'm just like not obsessed with it. Like it's cute, but it's not my favorite, unfortunately. Like I really wanted to like this, but I feel like it's a little dry. Like I really wanted like a nice like dewy like glow, and I just feel like it's just going on a little bit too powdery, if that makes sense, without the payoff. So that's how I feel about the highlight and blush palette. Let's go into the lipsticks. So for the lips, I'm gonna mix Cherry and Juicy. Look at that color. This is amazing. Alright guys, this cherry applies like a true cherry. It literally is the cherry color, so that was cute. And now I'm gonna use the color Juicy to put like a little pop of like shimmer in the middle, because this Juicy color is amazing. And if it weren't for me trying on these colors for you, I'd probably just use this one because this one is like beautiful. So my vision didn't really turn into a reality. I really wanted like a light like middle with like an ombre into the dark. That did not happen. So pretty much what I have is like the cherry color with like the juicy like shimmer going on top. It looks super glossy, like it looks nice. I'm not a red lip person, but this is totally working for me right now. So the last thing, and the one thing that I have been the most excited to try out, is the Cherry Scented All-Nighter Spray. Like, I don't care what anyone says, that Urban Decay All-Nighter like setting spray is one of the best out there. With the cherry scent, I'm really excited. I hope I'm not allergic to it, because I'm allergic to everything, especially like fragrances. I don't know, I'm sensitive, but we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, you guys, have you had like lip smackers when you were younger? Like, you know, those little like chapsticks that like taste good and they smell good? Like, it literally smells just like that one. It smells really good, and the smell is just like really light. You just like enjoy it when you're putting it on, and then it settles. It doesn't smell cheap or anything. It just smells like a nice like rich cherry, and you know I'm picky, so let's just like wrap everything up. Okay, my absolute favorite thing from the collection, surprisingly, is the lipsticks, because I hate red lips. Like, I don't do red lips, and I'm like really digging this look right now. Like, I feel like this is like the perfect tone for me, so I feel like I found it. The formula is nice. You know, if you watch Lady Code, you know that I always get lipstick on my teeth, so I keep checking because I'm like paranoid, and I don't have lipstick on my teeth yet. So the formula is great because it's not smearing anywhere. It looks glossy, it looks rich, it's just like really nice, but it's not getting on my teeth, and I'm loving that right now. The Juicy lipstick, I'm gonna try this on its own in a future tutorial because I want to see what it looks like without like the red base, but the lipsticks were my favorite. The palette is really nice, you guys. Like, I'm a snob. I'm like, oh, if there's no black in the palette, then I hate it. This one is a little bit different. Like, I really love how this eye look came out. I feel like it blended really nicely. It made it really easy to put on this eyeshadow and blend it. I used only like 4 or 5 colors, and it just looks really, really cute. So I'm loving that. The eyeliners, obviously, like, we know that the eyeliners from Urban Decay are amazing, so they didn't let me down. I love the Black Market color. That is just like really, really neat. So I think that wraps it up. I think that this is one of my new favorite eyeshadow palettes. I feel like everything that I just put on is like perfect for the holidays. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this review. I'm doing my best to like stay consistent with my uploads, but of course my health is the most important, and I'm still feeling a little sick. My huge makeup giveaway is ending soon, so make sure that you guys enter. I'll link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.